go cheeky breaky. Be careful. Hey, man. Yo. Don't go that way.
Stop right there, criminal scum. Nobody breaks the law on my watch.
No, hey, don't shoot me. It wasn't me. Hey, stop. Dude.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I'm gonna turn barrels here to get some range.
Dude, yeah.
First we gonna rock, then we gonna roll, then we let it pop, don't let it go.
Ooh.
Oh shit.
It's a two-man.
You
Just crabbing. There's someone else. Oh god.
Oh, I'm dead. I just
You're
died
dead?
to a fucking
No.
scab.
There's players on
I
us too.
couldn't see him.
Missed.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Like anywhere or down here?
Anyway.
We're gonna get fucking camped in that truck.
We got that bush right in front of us to run up to. People sat there and killed me before. Right there. Shot at us.
Oh, I'm dead.
He was in that bush. He was in that bush. Dude, I said he was. Killed them both. I said there was people camping us, did I not? And I said he was gonna be in that bush, did I not? Want me to leg him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'll leg him.
Yeah.
Shot him in the leg. He's slow now. He's walking back. Here.
I see him. Dead.
Nice. Oh, it's a player. It's a PMZ, yeah.
It was a
He said-
player?
Yeah, he said, I'm a goner. Here, this scabs are here for you.
Yeah.
You can.
Hold
That's
Sick.
sick.
Got our straight.
CS:GO,
Get him.
bro.
A second.
CS:GO strats. Oh, that's a player.
Yeah.
Hit him center mass.
I think he's
Yeah,
behind
he's
Nick
right here.
Connect.
Hit him in the chest again. Got him, he's dead. You had a red. Oh, we had a red armband. That's how I was like, what?